Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I like to do, just see different things, and today we are showing you guys something that's a little different. We're just showing you guys what they look like and kind of go over some meaning a little bit. In life, I think it is very fascinating to learn just different cultural stuff and what stuff means, because have you ever seen people with, say, a red dot between their eyes, and you always wondered what that means? And I've seen these flags before, and I've always wondered what they meant, so I decided to look it up, look into it, and actually do an unboxing and show you guys what they are. So we're gonna go over and basically tell you guys what they are, because just because you're not a part of that culture, it doesn't mean that you can't learn, and just so you know, and gain knowledge. Because I firmly believe as I get older, just gaining knowledge is fun. It's fun to learn what stuff means when you see it. So these flags are made out of a coated cotton, which is water and stain resistant. Prayer flags have 5 elements: blue, which symbolizes the sky; white for air; red for fire; green for water; and yellow for the earth. So these are designed with frayed edges and loose thread, designed to last for a very long time in the wind. They are indoor or outdoor. You often find these flags connected with yoga, meditation, and philosophy. The prayers promote love, harmony, peace, and balance, and goodwill. So guys, even if you don't believe in the culture, these are supposed to support positivity and kindness. They believe that as they're blown into the wind, all of that goes up into the sky, into the spirits, and promotes love and kindness, strength and wisdom, peace and compassion. So this is an ancient practice that has lasted 1,000 years, and as they string them up and they blow within the wind, they hope to send back to their homeland and across the country and across the world peace and love and prosperity. So this, for them, for the culture, printing prayers on the cloth is one of the earliest printing methods that they've used. And each single prayer of theirs, they believe, will take flight on the wind horse. And again, even if you don't believe, it still fascinates me, the different cultures and what people believe over the generations of humanity. So my friends, I highly recommend you guys look into documentaries and stuff about the flags. It's very interesting just to learn and just as, hear knowledge. As always, guys, you never know what you're going to see on our channel.